Hi everybody, welcome to Kitchen Moods. Today I'm dressing up to cook up veal liver schnitzel. Now this recipe is inspired from the regular schnitzel, but as I want to increase the intake of organ meats since this is the most nutritious part in any animal, I decided to make some changes to liver recipes, especially liver. It's not a very popular organ meat for a lot of people. So let's try and see how this is going to work out. The ingredients of this recipe will be half a pound of thinly sliced veal liver, to which I'm going to add vinegar. I will also add garlic powder, paprika, pepper, and salt and mix well. Then I will leave the liver to marinate for a couple of hours if possible before I start cooking them. While the liver is marinating, I will start preparing the breading. First, I will grind 15 grams of wheat bran in the coffee grinder. Then I will put in a flat plate 100 grams of almond flour and add to it the wheat bran, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. I will then mix well. I will also crack 2 eggs in a deep bowl and mix well. The exact ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. We would start by dipping each liver fillet piece in the eggs, then in the almond flour mix, just as a regular schnitzel. Then I will turn on my stove on medium heat and add approximately 100 milliliters of oil. Today I used grapeseed oil, but you can also use coconut oil or even ghee or butter, whatever you prefer to fry your food. So I will wait until the oil is hot, and I usually test it by throwing a pinch of my breading in it, and if it starts bubbling, I know that it's hot. Now looks like it's bubbling now. Just make sure the heat is not too high. I'm gonna add the second one now. So as soon as it becomes golden like that, we just remove it from the oil. Now my liver schnitzels are ready to serve. Now, the best side for liver schnitzel or any schnitzel for that matter is fermented vegetables, and that's why it's very traditional and very common in the German cuisine to serve sauerkraut with any type of schnitzel. Sauerkraut is very rich in probiotics, and that will help facilitate the digestion of this heavy meal. So let's try and see. So it's really crispy. I would have probably added a little bit more salt to it, but otherwise it's perfect. I want to show you how it looks like from the inside. feel the texture, this livery texture. I don't know what to call it, but it's mainly what people hate about liver. So that's the effect of vinegar actually. It's good. Really good.